Hey, fellow crypto holders, how you doing today? A little bit better today. Crypto's recovering. We're up a little bit here. And I really want to talk about, is there still a possibility of a Santa rally? Now, if you don't really know what that is, it's a phrase that has been kind of coined and thrown about in the crypto space specifically, and it somewhat to an extent on the stock side as well. But it really refers to, historically, there has been a bounce, a move up where crypto has moved up in December, and we've seen a crypto rally in that scenario. Let me show you a chart. Kind of shows this. Now, not every month is perfect in what I'm about to share with you, but to kind of show you this chart, if you take a look at the now this is Bitcoin, okay. But if you look at kind of what's happened here, this is Bitcoin monthly returns right here. Now, a lot of times when I specifically talk about Bitcoin, we do talk about Bitcoin, and then I talk about kind of Bitcoin equals the rest of the crypto market. Because if Bitcoin's up 30%, as an example, in a given month, usually the odds are really, really good that the rest of crypto, all your major altcoins and the other sectors are up as well. Okay. And this is the number I want to focus you on. See where it says December and it's down 2.13%. And you see how over here you got years, 24, 23, so forth and so on. Okay. If you want to pause the video, you can, and maybe kind of take a look at this a chart. And let me move that picture up there so you guys can get a good view of it. Okay. So you can see that when I titled the video, "Is there a Santa rally possible?" It doesn't look really great. Now, the rally would be to get us back up into the positive territory, right? Okay. And if you look at kind of 23, Bitcoin in the month of December was up 12%. 22 was a horrible year. 21 was interesting. We had a major bull run in October, right there in 21. And then in November and December, respectively, we gave back. Okay. Now, this is a halving year, 2020. And remember, 2024 is a halving year. And you can see October, November, we were up. But look at 2020, 27%, 42%, 46%. Yeah, nice times, right? And then again, you can see kind of some of the other months and so forth. But 2016 was a halving year, up 30%. So that's kind of what I wanted to focus you on was 2016. Bitcoin was up 30%. The crypto market was up as well. Bitcoin was up 46% in 2020, which was a halving year. And this year we're down. And so this year has absolutely been an anomaly. And it's going to go down in the books as not obviously a very good December. But now bringing it back to that discussion point, is there a Santa rally possible? Well, I mean, from where I sit right now with, approximately, what, 7 days. Yeah, 7 days left in crypto as far as December. I mean, if we can get back up over 3 to 4% plus as far as from a positive standpoint, I'll take that as a win right now. We were derailed this month by the Federal Reserve and all of their manipulation and things, what they're doing and all that kind of stuff. Look, I mean, uh, giving us only two rate decreases in 25 versus the four that were promised in September. There's a lot of moving parts here. And bottom line, it was absolutely a market that was derailed. I'm ready to get into January, where I think the crypto is going to take off, and we're going to see things go up dramatically. We've got Trump taking office. We got the new SEC chairman taking office. We got a lot of positive things happening in January. I've talked about that in plenty of videos. But you can see kind of overall what's going on in the market. We are getting a lift, which is a good thing. It's nice to wake up on Christmas Eve, by the way. Happy Christmas Eve for those of you guys out there who are paying attention to that side, so to speak. XRP's up 5%, Solana's up 5%, Ethereum's up 2%, Bitcoin's up 1%. And you kind of look down the road, Dogecoin's up 5%, Avalanche up 10%, Chainlink, so forth and so on. HBAR is the one that's kind of running away with it right now. It's up 20% in the 24-hour chart, and it's usually I think outside of Pudgy and Virtuals, it's right there with them. Okay, so kind of looking at some of the categories, you can see memes have lifted a little bit, coming back up. Let me show you the 30 days, probably better to look at it. Yeah, memes are lifted back up. The market cap's now 100 billion, where we did get down to in the 80 billion range or so. Some capital flowing back into the meme category. Like if we look at AI, kind of probably a similar scenario there. AI is up 18%. You can see it's kind of moving up. So the AI space is moving up. DeFi, again, kind of looking at the DeFi space. Let's take a look at here. So the DeFi, the old total market cap is 158 billion. So the DeFi space is obviously one of the biggest, is probably the biggest sector in crypto. And you can see kind of across the board what you got going on there. Okay. So overall, we got a nice lift today. I think it's a, maybe a little bit of a Christmas Eve lift, if you will. I don't think we're in a full-blown Santa rally. I don't really see a possibility of a major Santa rally. I would love to be wrong. Okay. I will be the first to stand up and go, I was wrong if that in fact does play out and we do get a Santa rally. Um, Either maybe a late Santa rally, maybe after Christmas, right? So, I think long and the short of it is kind of keep doing what you're doing. Let's all get ready for January. That's what I'm focusing on, and kind of moving the ball forward in that regard. So, thanks for giving me a few minutes before I let you go. It is obviously still having a sale on my software. If you use discount code SP1, you can get it. But this is like HBAR as an example of, back here between what was that, the 29th of November to the 4th of December, we saw HBAR go up in 5 days, 131%. That's a buy and a sell. That's my software telling you the perfect time to buy, perfect time to sell. And you can see HBAR, as I showed you a minute ago, has just started taking off again. And we're up in, 1 day, 9 hours, about 24+%. You can see the software said it's the right time to buy. All the conditions are that way. And that's what the software does. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. So if you want to take it for a test spin, it basically costs about $1 a day with that discount code SP1, which is the best discount I've ever offered. And there's also a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So give it a look if you want. And you've got no risk in this. This is the thank you page, and where kind of the members area you see after you join. These are all the step-by-step videos that you walk you through everything, setting it up. It is literally, you're up and running in about 15 minutes. Each one of these videos is about 2 minutes long. See, I mean, they're not long at all. And then the last video is is cool because I tell you how to create alerts, and the alerts are what makes you all the money. You get alerts coming in on your phone, like saying, okay, right here, like as an example with HBAR, right? Buy alert, sell alert. Okay. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. So something to take a look at if you want to make more money in crypto. This is what the big money guys and gals in crypto are doing. They're using technology. They're using software to help them make more money and tell them perfect time to buy, perfect time to sell, and lock in that profit and put that profit in their pocket. Okay. So to final thought here, like if you would have bought here, sold here, so $2,000 bought here would have made you a profit of about $2,700 on a $2,000 buy. That's profit. $2,000 investment back plus $2,700 in profit. So again, links in the description below here on YouTube. If you're on X, the link is above me. So go check it and take a look at it. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Look, I think I've said this in a couple of videos leading up to today and in the last couple of days. I think as we continue to see the rest of December roll out, we're going to be, I think, flat. Like, again, I said, probably have little days where we're up 2%, that we might give it back, all that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping we could get a Santa rally, maybe a late Santa rally, maybe after Christmas Santa rally. We'll see. I just think there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market right now. People are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the new year. See you.